Okay, so now I'm going to do the unboxing of the Canon G7X Mark II, and this is the parcel. So I'm going to just open it really slowly because I'm not good with pen knives. Every time I use pen knife, something bad happens.
1 hour later.
Okay, so here it is. So there's a lot of good stuff to protect the camera, more stuff. Okay, so first off, I see a free camera pouch, which is really sweet of them. Really small and compact, so I can definitely use this when I bring the camera out. And here is the camera. So I'm so excited.
Much later.
Okay, so the box is so pretty. The box right now. Okay. Alright, so first off, I can see that they have provided me with a free SD card, and it is 16 GB. Okay, so I think this is just the warranty. I think this is the manual. And here comes the camera. This is the camera, you guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And it comes in a pouch like this, by the way. So this is the beautiful camera. And here it is. I don't think it has a lens screen protector, so I might end up getting one just to protect the screen because I am really clumsy. And yeah, so this is the Canon G7X Mark II. I'm gonna try and switch it on, but I don't think there is a battery in it yet. So I think this is the battery compartment, so I'm just gonna open it. As you guys can see, there's no battery or SD card, so I will charge the battery and then put the battery in later on. And then these are just the cables for the charger, and this is the battery, you guys. This is the battery, and this is the battery charger. So you just place the battery in here and charge it. And yeah, they do give a camera strap as well, which is really cute. So you know, you can attach it to the camera and put it around your wrist. That's all for my Canon G7X unboxing video. If you guys want to hear a review on my thoughts of the camera, I will do that on my next video, and I will share with you guys what I think about the camera and the quality and audio and all that other jazz. So if you guys are interested then to see another video on my thoughts and review of this camera, then please like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.